Trees whisper songs of endless blue. Clouds drift slow like morning dew. Wings of dreams take me so high, over waterfalls that kiss the sky. Liquid lace spills from the cliffs. Sunlight dances through the rifts. A symphony of the rushing streams. Each drop holds 100 dreams. Flying over the world's embrace, a timeless journey full of grace. Waterfalls below, they softly call, their beauty endless, their voices enthrall. Mist rises, wraps me like a veil. Stories told through each gentle trail. I'm weightless here where time does bend. The river whispers beginnings and ends. Shadows play in the golden light. Waves beneath in eternal flight. A secret kept by nature's might. Under the glow of the moon so bright. Flying over the world's embrace, a timeless journey full of grace. Waterfalls below, they softly call, their beauty endless, their voices enthrall. Drift above the rolling spray, clouds of mist dance all the way. Feel the breeze, it holds you still. Gentle whispers break your will. Feet on trails the world forgot, ways of green, a secret spot. Let the sunlight paint your skin. Start the healing deep within. Fly now over waterfalls. Let the wildness break your walls.
Oh, walk the Yorkshire way today, the peace you're bound to find. With every step, the weight will lift, leave heartache far behind. The rolling moors, the winding streams, they'll guide you mile by mile. Let the countryside embrace you in its tender, quiet style. The hedgerows hum with life anew, the breeze a soft embrace. The rhythm of the winding trail will set your heart to pace. A barn owl soars, a gentle sound, its wings cut through the still. Beneath this sky of endless blue, you'll find a will to heal. Oh, walk the Yorkshire way today, the peace you're bound to find. With every step, the weight will lift, leave heartache far behind. The rolling moors, the winding streams, they'll guide you mile by mile. Let the countryside embrace you in its tender, quiet style. A quiet meditation where the earth and soul align. The clouds that drift, the curlews call, they speak in tones divine. Take it slow, no need to rush, there's beauty on this track. Each step forward clears the way, no need to turn back. So go, my friend, just walk a while where heather meets the sky. Feel the weight you've carried long begin to slowly fly. The Yorkshire winds will dry your tears, your spirit it will mend. A countryside of healing where all your sorrows end. The world spins fast, we're losing grip, chasing dreams that always slip. But take a breath and let it go. Find the space to let life flow. Hands to sky, hearts down below. Feel the moment, let it grow. Life's a canvas, paint it bright. Even shadows need the light. Stop and think, reset your soul. Let the chaos lose control. What matters most is clear to see. A little love, a memory. Phones are humming, minds are numb. Always racing, where's it from? Unplug the noise, find quiet ground. In the silence, truth is found. The weight we carry, it's all air. Drop it now and just repair. Breathe in deep, let worries fade. A better you is being made. Stop and think, reset your soul. Let the chaos lose control. What matters most is clear to see.